Have you ever thought about how easy it is to become rich? Now, I know this might sound like a bold statement, but let's take a moment to really think about it. You see, often in life, we're told that getting rich is a Herculean task, reserved for the lucky few. But what if I told you that wealth, in its truest form, is not just about luck or an extraordinary stroke of genius? Think about the simplicity of nature. How effortlessly a tree grows from a seed. How naturally a bird learns to fly. These processes, while complex in their biology, happen seamlessly in the natural world. Similarly, the process of creating wealth can be natural and straightforward if we align ourselves with the right principles and actions. Now, you might be wondering, how can getting rich be easy when my life is filled with complexities? That's a fair question. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We're going to break down this seemingly complex idea into something clear, something achievable for everyone, regardless of where you're starting from. Imagine for a moment that wealth is like a river flowing beside us. Some people walk past it, never realizing it's there. Others see it but think it's too difficult to reach. But then there are those who see the river and decide to take a small step each day towards it, eventually finding themselves swimming in its abundance. As we move forward today, I invite you to open your mind to the possibilities that lie ahead. We're going to explore how changing our mindset, recognizing and seizing opportunities, and taking consistent action can lead us down a path of wealth and abundance. Remember, the path to wealth doesn't have to be a labyrinth. It can be as straightforward as walking towards a river and taking a drink. The key lies in understanding the principles and applying them in our lives. So, let's start this journey together with open hearts and minds, ready to learn and grow. Let's explore how getting rich can indeed be super easy. Let's consider a common trap that many of us fall into, the misconception of difficulty in achieving wealth. One that paints wealth creation as a complex, almost unattainable process. But is it really as hard as it's made out to be? Think about how often we hear stories of self-made millionaires and billionaires. These narratives are often colored with struggles and extraordinary efforts, making it seem as if these achievements are out of reach for the average person. However, what's not often highlighted is the simplicity underlying their success. It's not about extraordinary efforts, but rather about doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. Many believe that to get rich, you need special skills, a particular background, or even a stroke of luck. But let's demystify this. The truth is, wealth creation is about basic principles and actions that anyone can apply. It's about understanding the value of saving over spending, investing over squandering, and earning with a purpose. Let's take a simple example. Imagine two people, each earning the same income. One chooses to spend extravagantly, living a lifestyle beyond their means, while the other lives modestly, saving and investing a portion of their income. Over time, the difference in their financial status becomes evident. The principle here is simple. It's not about how much you earn, but about how you manage what you earn. Now consider the power of compounded interest, a concept Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. It's a simple yet powerful principle. The money you save and invest today grows over time, leading to wealth creation that seems almost effortless. Another misconception is that wealth creation requires constant, high-stakes risk-taking. While taking calculated risks is a part of the journey, it's not about constantly living on the edge. It's about making informed decisions, understanding the risks, and taking steps that are aligned with your goals and values. Think about the stories of people who have lost fortunes by chasing get-rich-quick schemes. These stories are cautionary tales that emphasize the importance of patience. True wealth is built over time through consistent, thoughtful actions. The journey to wealth should also be about finding fulfillment and happiness in your work and life. It's about balancing ambition with contentment, ensuring that your pursuit of wealth doesn't come at the cost of your health or relationships. In essence, the journey to wealth is more about mindset and less about the external circumstances. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. It's about seeing wealth not as a distant, unreachable peak, but as a path that is walked one step at a time. So as we continue on this path, let's keep in mind that the difficulty often lies more in our perceptions and beliefs than in reality. By shifting our mindset, focusing on simple, effective principles, and taking consistent actions, we can demystify the process of wealth creation. It's a journey that is accessible to all, regardless of where you're starting from. Understanding the fundamentals of wealth creation is like learning the rules of a game. Once you know them, you can play the game effectively. These fundamentals are not complex formulas or secret codes reserved for the elite. They are simple, time-tested principles accessible to anyone willing to learn and apply them. The first fundamental principle is the power of mindset. Your mindset shapes your financial future. It's the lens through which you view the world of money and wealth. A growth-oriented mindset sees opportunities, learns from setbacks, and remains open to new ideas. It's not blinded by short-term failures, but is focused on long-term goals. Think of your mindset as the compass guiding your financial journey. It sets the direction and keeps you on course even during storms. Next is the principle of living within your means. This doesn't mean you must live frugally or deny yourself enjoyment. It's about understanding the difference between what you need and what you want and making conscious decisions that align with your financial goals. It's like balancing a scale. On one side are your expenses, and on the other, your income. The goal is to keep the scale balanced, ensuring that your lifestyle doesn't outweigh your income. Saving and investing wisely are also key to wealth creation. Saving is about setting aside a portion of your income regularly. It's the foundation upon which wealth is built. Investing, on the other hand, is how you make your money grow. It's not about gambling or chasing after the next big thing. It's about making informed decisions, understanding the risks and rewards, and choosing investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich quick, but to build wealth steadily over time. Another fundamental aspect is continuous learning and self-improvement. The world of finance and investment is always evolving. By staying informed and continuously improving your knowledge and skills, you enhance your ability to make smart financial decisions. It's like sharpening your tools. The sharper they are, the more effective they are at helping you build wealth. Debt management is another crucial area. It's not all debt is bad, but understanding how to manage debt effectively is key. Good debt can be a tool for building wealth, like a loan for starting a business or buying a property. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can be a trap that hinders your financial progress. Managing debt wisely is about knowing the difference and making choices that contribute to your financial well-being. Income diversification is also important. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your income streams, you create a safety net. If one stream dries up, others can sustain you. This could mean having a side business, investing in income-generating assets, or developing skills that offer multiple income opportunities. Lastly, the principle of patience and persistence cannot be overstated. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience to see your plans come to fruition and persistence to stick to your goals, even when the going gets tough. It's about playing the long game, understanding that true wealth is built over time. In summary, the fundamentals of wealth creation are about cultivating a growth mindset, living within your means, saving and investing wisely, continuous learning, effective debt management, diversifying your income, and embracing patience and persistence. These principles are the building blocks of a solid financial foundation. By understanding and applying them, you set yourself on a path to financial success and abundance. Let's embrace these fundamentals, apply them in our daily lives, and watch as the journey of wealth creation unfolds.
Looking for a daily dose of inspiration? Subscribe to Motivated Soul and get inspired anytime, anywhere. Watch the next video now or save for later. Your time is valuable. Use it wisely.